Ooh, I lost you today. I don't know what you're talking about. Bye. Go listen to Skins. I'm not sponsored by Skins. Go listen to it. Go listen to it, bruh. Go listen to that. I'm not sponsored by it. Because he did, okay? I don't know if he did or not. I don't know. I lied in the video. The video, I was on vacation. What's this?